All right, here's a little trick that I do with myself, and I think it will work for you. When I'm facing a big decision, when I'm under a lot of stress or pressure, you know what I do? I give a friend advice. What do I mean by that? I sit down with myself and I think, what if a friend came to me with this same problem? What if a friend came to me in this situation? What advice would I tell them? When you find that you do this, here's the weird thing. You actually give your friends better advice than you give yourself. You're more rational when you think, man, I've got this friend, they should go for the job. I don't know what they're afraid of, right? You end up giving that friend better advice. So I want you to leverage that and go, okay, what would I tell my best friend if they were in this situation? If they just lost their job? If they just had their husband leave them? Whatever it is, detach yourself from the situation. Think, what if somebody else was in this position, and what advice would I give them? You're going to find that advice is a lot more healthy, a lot more actionable, and a lot more positive than the advice you give yourself. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how to be successful in business and life.